here there are two TSWs are connected to a DMPS. One is in screensaver mode, the other is away. So what we do here is we just go to toolbox and just send broadcast message. So on one TSW broadcast message has come, the other one it's not enabled, it's still in screensaver mode, and we just enable. Now the screensaver mode comes and goes, and screensaver mode goes, and we see broadcast message. Now what we do is we just click on home, it goes back, and I just turn on the broadcast message again, but I see here the broadcast message doesn't come up once home is clicked. The regular operations are fine. Now it works only if once we turn off, the broadcast message is gone, and we need to just send the broadcast message again, and then we'll be able to see the broadcast message. So here if you click on home, we'll not be able to resend the broadcast message, and we will not be able to see the broadcast message also.